What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. If you guys haven't seen the previous video, go ahead and watch that. But as some of you guys know, we've built the garage. This is the current state of it since the last part. We got 90% of it done. We have to do the siding from the back, build this door, and then build the two front doors. So that's all that needs to be done as far as building the garage, but we are going to insulate it. We're going to seal all the gaps, and I should be able to work out of this, build cars, make content. So yesterday something crazy happened. I didn't show y'all on camera, but check this out, y'all. I parked the Gen 2 out on the street because we was working on the garage, and look, it got hit. It's unfortunate, but sometimes you can't do nothing about it. It is what it is. That might have been like that already, but this right here, it happens. It is what it is. Hopefully the floor for the garage comes as soon as possible, because I want to get that put in here. We were debating on adding another part to right here and right here, just so like I could probably put my tools or something. Or not too sure yet, but let me know down below what you guys think. I also got the lighting already, as you guys can previously see from another video, but where I was actually thinking about drywalling it straight, then put in the lights, or should I leave this metal look? What do you guys think? So we got some of the siding on. Remember that middle piece from the other video? That's on there. Got the poles right here on. So now look, it ain't flimsy. We have to do this side. I got this one on there. This has to get bolted though, so to stay tight. Door's already done.
When in doubt, bang it out. $10. You know that. As you guys can see, it's getting very dark. So I'm about to temporarily set up the hexagon lights. But first I want to bring all this out the way and then start setting up. Jeez. Look at the difference. Oh my goodness. Do you even lift?
No, I don't. And I gotta fucking rivet.
More. Come on, just let's see.
Let me see it, bro.
No, it's gonna have all three. Damn, come on, man. Yeah, you see what's going on. Dio! What's going on?
I don't think it's gonna hold. No, I need to make sure that it's gonna swing, bro. I want it to swing.
Yeah.
You weak, bro.
You want a marker?
See? Hey, I can't hold this shit with one hand. You hold it with your fucking foot.
That's all y'all. Taya! Anything I put in here was so just because how it looks. Just the background would just sell the bike. Damn. This is for sale though. If anybody want it. 19 kicks B.
With the title.
Yeah, with the title. Sheesh.
Damn, son, where did you get that from?
We are done for today. I'm gonna go ahead and flip this charger around, back it in, see how much space we working with, and hopefully we got a good amount of room to do wraps. Probably put a couch in there, TV, miscellaneous stuff. But yeah, let's go ahead and move this car back. No, hold on.
We got space. What you gonna put? You put like a couch right there.
Right here, for the TV right there. I'll put the TV on. We got a lot of room to wrap around it. Shit, even if you want to turn the car sideways, the wrap can be good. Like, that angle.
It's way warmer in here, I ain't gonna lie.
Damn. Oh shit, he rolling up. My bad.
And if you do the electricity like that, fuck man, that shit.
Bro, that shit's safe, bro. My dad is worse. My dad is worse. I need to take a picture of
Okay.
Swerving to the music. Come on. Tell me.